In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save attachments from Gmail to Google Drive efficiently. It's a simple yet incredibly useful skill that can help you manage files better and keep important documents readily accessible in the cloud. Let's dive into the process to ensure you can do this swiftly and confidently. To get started, you'll first need to open Gmail and navigate to the email containing the attachment you wish to save. Click on that email and it will open up, allowing you to view its contents. Now, locate the attachment within the email. It could be a document, an image, or any type of file that has been sent to you. Once identified, hover your mouse over the attachment. When you do so, a few small icons should appear immediately. These icons offer you several options regarding what you can do with the attachment. They typically include options like downloading the file or saving it directly to Google Drive. The next step is to focus on the Google Drive icon, which looks like a triangle. Clicking this icon will prompt the system to prepare the attachment for transfer to your drive. This action signifies to Gmail that you'd like to create a copy of this file in your Google Drive account. It's a seamless process that automatically uploads and stores the file in your cloud storage, making it readily accessible from any device with internet access. This functionality is particularly helpful if you frequently work from multiple devices or need to share files with others without needing to download them onto a physical device first. A handy tip to keep in mind: if you're managing a large volume of emails or attachments, organizing your Google Drive with folders can save you significant time and energy down the line. You can easily drag the files into specific folders in your drive after transferring them. Consider naming your folders clearly based on projects, clients, or any other categorization that works best for your workflow. This way, everything remains tidy and files are easy to retrieve when you need them. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to save attachments from Gmail to Google Drive. Remember, using this feature effectively can streamline your workflow, keeping your digital workspace neat and organized. Plus, the convenience of accessing your files from any location can't be overstated. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to revisit this tutorial if you need a refresher on the steps at any point. Keep exploring the versatile features of Google services to optimize your productivity. Until next time, take care and happy organizing.